Molly, this looks like it could be one of your puppies. They're such chubbers. Are you a chubber, Molly?
Yes.
So what could I do?
They cry and you put them down and they go to the bathroom.
So that, and then I could...
Sell them potty trained.
All right.
Oh, there's your...
Yeah. Circle. Look at Freddie. Go to their home.
They will be spoiled.
Well, that's good. That's what it's all about.
It looks like you can restock your pond with bass.
I know. These are going to be the happiest bass on earth because there's so many little teeny little bluegills for them to eat.
You got so many bluegills to eat. You're going to be so happy.
Next time you see them, they're pumped up.
How are they going to be? Going to be a good mommy.
She's a pretty girl.
She is, even with her shaved down haircut. Bella's totally camouflaged in the sand. Who's going to have puppies? Who's going to have pretty puppies? It's a Saturday night and cold beer.
Well, they know one dog when they see him. A good pig dog.
And you're already all picked out. Yes, you are. You're the best home in the world you're going to.
Look at how dirty I am. Oh, we move home. We're pretty up a little bit.
And Stripe. A couple people want you. Everybody's waiting their turns to pick. Stripe. Which one? Which one are you? Oh, you got the white chin. So he told you he had to potty, huh?
Yeah.
He walks around holding puppies all the time. Yeah, but he's so worried.
They like her.
What do you think, Bodie? You like those puppies? Bodie, do you remember when you were 5 weeks old? You're our new stud muffin.
Walking my mind to an easy time.
He's a good dog.
Train won't run on a torn up track. Sometimes I wish I never roamed.
Sal, you're giving kisses.
Cause you went that way, you can never come home. High society cry. We've been so busy keeping up with Jones. 4-car garage and we're still building on. Maybe it's time we got back to the basics of love.